Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to cancel your GrubHub membership with ease, you have found the right video. Today I will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can say goodbye to your membership hassle-free. Let's dive in. The first step is log in. You will see in this screenshot there is the login page of GrubHub. To start, go to the GrubHub website and sign in your account. You will find the sign in button at the top of the page. Click on it and enter your email and password to access your account. Now head to the step 2, access account settings. Once you have logged in, go to your account dashboard. Here you will be able to manage your subscription settings. Click on your name and you will find a drop down options. Now step 3, navigate to GrubHub Plus membership. Next, find the GrubHub Plus or membership section. This is hyperly under the account settings or profile menu. Click on it to view your membership details, just like the screenshot shows. Now step 4 is initiate cancellation. In this screenshot you can see the cancel membership option is available. In the membership section, look for the option to cancel membership. Click on this to begin the cancellation process. Now step 5 is follow cancellation prompts. You will be asked a few questions about your reason for cancellation. Fill in any required fields such as your contact details or feedback. This helps GrubHub enhance their services. Now step 6 is confirm cancellation. After providing the information, you will be taken to a confirmation screen just like this. Preview your cancellation details carefully. If everything is correct, click on confirm cancellation or continue cancellation button to finalize the process. Step 7 is receive confirmation email. You should receive a confirmation email from GrubHub shortly. This email only confirms your membership cancellation and is important for further records. Thanks for watching. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to videos. See you next time.